Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Well, the drop below the support level earlier today was already a warning that the bullish setup that we had on the chart was invalidated, and earlier today I gave you a target of around $20. We came down to 22 today. So this is still the wave count that we discussed earlier in the video today. We have broken down, indeed. We've nearly reached the $20 level. I was surprised myself that $20 was the target and that we would reach it today, nearly at least. Surprised me even more, to be honest. I didn't expect it, I must be very honest with you, that we would get there today, but obviously this was triggered to a degree, or pretty massively, by the events surrounding FTX and Binance. But yeah, let's take a look. I mean, this to me, at the moment, I see no evidence for a reversal, I must be honest with you. So the best I can offer here in terms of Elliott wave count, but we take a look at other things as well. The best I can offer is that, and that's what we talked about earlier today, this was a wave 1, and the problem here is that the wave 1 was very long. Then a wave 2 to the upside, and the wave 3 target is normally based on wave 1 and 2, length and retracement. So the target that we discussed earlier today for the third wave was the $20 level. The 1-to-1 ratio, which is, well, 2056. So the ideal target is normally the 1.618, but that is $9. So personally, I mean, that is lower than I would expect it, right? That's why I gave you the 1-to-1 ratio as target for the third wave. Does it seem finished? I mean, to be honest, this to me looks like a third in itself. So we might have something like a 1-2, 1-2, and then here the third, which would actually indicate we come down lower even. I would not really want to give you here further targets until the dust has settled a little bit. I think it is really good to just sit on the sidelines for a bit and wait what the market is going to do in the next few days. Told you earlier in the week that this is going to be a volatile week. We discussed on Telegram and Discord the issues around FTX since the weekend. We've been talking about the elections in the US today. I think they are today, aren't they? And we've discussed Thursday's CPI data. So all of this leading to a very, 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 very difficult week. Lots of volatility, lots of unpredictable movements. Really, really difficult. That we get down to that level today, even though I had the bearish outlook, surprised me as well. So I think it's just a bit of a wait and see, that this is just rolling. And the events, you know, the risk is with events like that, we sometimes don't even know what else could be coming up. So I think this has the potential to be proper capitulation. That affects Bitcoin as well. Well, yeah, I mean, Bitcoin has lost all the micro support levels I indicated, which means that this is quite bearish. But on days like these, it's sometimes really good to just sit on the sidelines and wait until the dust has settled. Everything else will most likely burn you unless you really know what you're doing. And it's not, you know, this is not, let's say, do you want to say proper trading if you do anything today? You know, I think buying DCA, long-term investments, certainly interesting on days like these. The problem is that Solana is one of the biggest losers today. And with the Solana chart, I currently can't see a bottom. Not since we lost support yesterday. That was a warning here at around $29, yeah. A few days ago, and you will remember that in the videos I told you, whatever Solana is doing to maintain a bullish count, it needs to hold above the $28.60 level, or $28.50. Now we've obviously lost that, and then since then dropped massively. So yeah, we are just approaching the $22 level again. No reversal in sight. If there will be one, there should be a wave 4 to the upside and the final wave 5 down. I will let you know as soon as the dust has settled a little bit and I can get a clearer picture of the wave counts, but the best I can offer is that the low isn't in yet, really. We are, though, massively oversold now, of course, again, on the 4-hour chart, which doesn't mean we need to turn bullish now, but it indicates some kind of a relief rally, possibly in the next few days, will occur. I mean, on the daily chart, on the 1 hour, you have a bullish divergence here now on Solana on the chart. But if you consider everything in the light of the greater context, I mean, there's a lot of uncertainty in the space. So just be careful. We're now on the daily nearly oversold as well. So the signs of a at least temporary reversal are coming up, but again, dust needs to settle first, and we've got a lot of uncertainties coming up this week. Also with the CPI data, the MACD momentum has shifted down massively. So also here on the daily, until there is a bit of a sign of a reversal, things are still, very, very difficult and very, very red. And I'm not lying to you, this could drop down much more. If this is a proper wave 3 here, this can come down much more. And by the way, we've got FTT, which might be the next big thing that goes to zero. So let's see. I can't really tell you more, but a lot of volatility. Keep calm as you can be. You get these crazy events in crypto regularly, but this today is a special event. It is really, really, really difficult, and we might actually see also with Bitcoin, my primary expectation play out in that we will go down below the June low. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.